So let's write this up here. Now we need to place 17 milliliters into this play space. So starting out with the math toys, how would we do that?
All right. So with the math toys, we need 17 milliliters. So first, how about, well, first we know we can get upwards of 15 milliliters. So how about we just do it one at a time? All right. So for 17 milliliters, we know there's 5 milliliters in an individual teaspoon. So let's
Mhm.
represent that by dragging that right here into our beaker. All right. So now that we know that each teaspoon holds an individual value of 5, we got to think about how many can we stack until it reaches 17 or close to 17.
Mhm.
So then we keep on stacking in this case. So then the next would be 10. And then after that would be 15 if we add another. So let's add another in there. I just removed everything. Golly. It's okay. So now we have a value of 15. If we were to add another one, that would be 20, but that's too many. We're only looking for 17. So that means we got to go over to our little milliliters pieces. So since we're beginners, we're just going to stick with this little dot one right here. So to get 17, we only need 2 more milliliters. So that'll be one little milliliter piece, and then we'll just add another one, and then we'll have 17 milliliters. Or
Very
we'd have a tablespoon and 2 milliliters.
perfect. You already answered the question I was going to ask. We have 1 tablespoon and 2 milliliters.
Mhm.
Perfect. So how would we write that out over here on the right hand side? You can draw it along this line here, right next to it. Use your annotation tool.
All right. So we need one, two, three, four, five, six. Oh, well, you said 6 or 7. I'll just keep it the same as last time. All right.
We need
So,
6 spaces.
oh, 6 spaces. One, two.
Right.
Okay. All right. So for this, we know over here we have a tablespoon or 3 teaspoons. So first, let's extend our little notches right here. You can already see half the square, kind of. So with that, that's all we have to do for that one. So that's 15 milliliters, and we only need 2 more milliliters left. So with that being said, we just need um like 2 more little teardrops like that to represent um 17 milliliters or a tablespoon and 2 milliliters.
Perfect. Perfect. And so I know that we have 1 tablespoon
Uh-huh.
and 2 milliliters in this format. How many teaspoons do we have?
Teaspoons, we have 3 teaspoons.
And how do we know that?
We know that because um, each teaspoon consists of 5 milliliters. So we'd count by fives. This would be 5, that's a teaspoon. 10, that's a teaspoon. And 15, that's a teaspoon. So that's as high as we can go with that. So, and also because of these little notches, which, like right here, we have these little semi squares, you want to call them.
Mm-hmm.
And we just have our 2 droplets, which represent the individual milliliters pieces.
Perfect. Perfect. Again, you gave me the answer I was looking for. It's because we can even just see that we have 3 milliliters, not 3 milliliters, 3 teaspoons inside of this tablespoon here. All right.
All right.
Excellent. And in the future, to keep things neat, place the drops on a dot over here.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
so like going up, or would it just, does it matter? Like,
Um, Try to keep them over here to the bottom right.
okay.
Um, so yeah, exactly like that. This is 100% correct.
Okay.
That'll help keep everything nice and neat and organized.
All right.
All right. Do we have any questions about that?
Nope, we're getting it.
You are picking this up in no time. Let's get to the next one.
All right.
So our next